Okay, Jacob gets ball. First roll to 15. 3. Oh. Well, hey, that's why. Look. Pause. Look. Just because it's way out here doesn't mean it's not a 3. 3s are still right here. Alright? It's just that it gives us more room. Oh! My phone!
No more filming it. My phone dropped. Are you alright, Isaiah? That's twice.
He held the phone right there and it bounced off the rim and it hit the phone into his eye.
Oh, I gotta go clean my phone.